Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, today we have the Curateur. That's right, we have Curateur Winter 2023. And they got it to us relatively quickly. It seems like last year we got this after Christmas, so we got it a little sooner. And this is their traditional black box with their name on it. And Curateur is a high fashion luxury brand box. Xoxo designs the box, and many of the items carry her name. Xoxo is, I guess, in California. I'm not real sure where she's located, but I'm thinking California. And the box is $125 a quarter. And if you do an annual subscription, it's $450 a year. And that breaks down to like $112.50. It has gone up over last year. Last year it was $99. So she did have to increase it. It is free shipping and you get access to her shop and other deals during the year. Now this is my last one under my 1-year contract because I was able to get this box for $99 because before she raised the prices, she let all of her previous customers have the old rate if they signed up for a year, and that's what I did. So that will be over this year. And I guess back at $99 a box, well, it was less than $99 a box. It used to be $99 per box per quarter. But if you signed an annual contract, you got it for about $80, I think. So you save quite a bit. So I got an annual subscription last year for around $380 maybe, and now it's going to be $450 plus the tax. So I don't know that I'm resubscribing. I did cancel it for now. Well, we'll talk about that later. But anyway, let's get in here. I can't wait to see what she's done. Now we do get to choose 2 items. She'll give us a customization and a choice between 2 or 3 things. And it may be 2 choices, but there may be more than 2 choices, if that makes any sense. This is our product card, and that is Xoxo there on the cover. And she has a few of the items sitting out there on display, and we're going to get into more detail. And then on the back side is my card. And this is the winter curation. This season, our Curateur-in-Chief Xoxo wants to ensure you look and feel your best. With the help of these wardrobe and beauty updates, elevate your daily routine and enhance the moments of self-care and a little practical indulgence, it says. You deserve to shine this holiday season. So very, very nice. And I can see 2 of the things that we had a choice of. When you open this up, she does have her box. Curateur is very well made. It's the Premier Shopping membership, and it is luxury. And then she's got her little tag on the black paper there. She stays consistent with that. And there are several things in here, and I never know exactly what to start off with. But I think I'm going to go with this first. And this is Flânerie or Flânerie. I'm not sure if you've got that little thing over there. Does that mean it's Flânerie? Maybe that's what it is. That is the brand. This is a rest and recharge set. It retails for $180. So, wow. Let's see what we have here. This is just one of the items. It's in simple packaging, and it is in the winter. My skincare routine needs a total revamp, which is why I love this full-size trio of products that includes everything my complexion needs to look and feel fresh. So let's see what we have here. Looks like this is the Everlasting Spring Hibiscus, and it is an invigorating mask, and that sounds very nice, and it is sealed, so I'm going to leave it that way for now. This is $180 worth of Cosmeticz in the luxury line of Flânerie, and I don't really know how to pronounce that. This is a Jasmine Sunset Quartz. It's a restorative face and eye night cream. Ooh, well, I was needing some Estee Lauder night cream, which is my favorite, but I may try this night cream before I order that because this may hold me over and I can order that later. And then this here is Wild Jasmine Hyaluronic. So, okay, great. This is a dark circle, relief, and uplift eye serum. And I'll have to see how this goes. I'm real sensitive to eye serums. I I pretty much only use Estee Lauder's Advanced Recovery Skincare Eye Cream. I mean, it is one that I buy on a regular basis if I don't get it free in one of my purchases. So we'll see. I'll try this and see how it goes. If I can't wear it around my eyes, sometimes you can wear these, nice, good ingredient type Cosmeticz on other places, like around my lips where I need it, in between my eyes there, and maybe even on my neck, because your neck is thin skin too. So that is really cool. $180. Would I pay $180? No, but would I buy a box for $99 that includes it? You bet. Okay, the next item that I'm seeing in here, this was a choice item. And this is the Leada, and it is a Byron Pearl Lariat necklace with a value of $85, or Effie Pearl Drop Huggy earrings. And let's see what I got. It's in this little packet here. She always puts her jewelry in a nice little bag. This here is just like a little canvas bag, it looks like. I don't know if she does that or the manufacturer, but this here, I chose the Leada Brian Pearl Lariat necklace. And this is beautiful. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Can you tell the quality of it? Okay, I do enjoy getting this because we're talking about luxury items that I would never be able to afford otherwise. I just wouldn't be able to do it. And it's got the tag there of the brand. And I'm gonna, oh wait, I was gonna snip it, but it came off. So yay, I didn't have to cut it. And I am going to try this on. It's got a drop pearl on there. I just think that's beautiful. Look how shiny that is. Can y'all see that? It is gorgeous. I have gotten some of the most gorgeous jewelry out of her collections. Isn't that pretty? And it just drops, and it shows the earrings here just so that you want to see what they would look like. And I do have a little heart here that has some little bitty diamonds on it, so I'm going to try to push that off to the side so that we can see this. But isn't that lovely? It's just so elegant. I like that. That's very, very pretty. I'm glad I made that choice. $85 value. And then the next item I'm going to pull out of here is our Rachel Miriam. It says Eve clutch, a retail price of $140, and a cloud throw for $128. And it looks like I got both of them. So I don't know. Rachel Miriam is the designer. This is a Rachel Miriam pouch. It has her name on there. This is big. She calls this a clutch. Look how big this is. Okay, let me read what it says here. White is so chic for the winter dressing. So I love the idea of pairing this clutch with a gorgeous matching sweater dress and boots for the holiday parties. Plus you can unfold it and use it as a packing pouch when you're on the go. Oh, okay, so it's multiple use. It shows it here being folded. So here's your clutch. You would just open this up. On the inside, you've got this nice Rachel Miriam bag clutch where you could put your things. You zip it up, you fold it over, and you're ready to go out for the evening with this clutch. Isn't that clever? And then, like I was telling you, on vacation or something like that, you could actually pack things in this and use it in your bag to, maybe carry some nice lingerie or some other nice things. Look at that tassel that's on there. That's just very elegant. I love that. So I've already got my off-white sweater on, so it's not a dress, but it almost is. And this would look very nice with it. That was $148 value. Wow. This is an expensive box this year. And then I got a cloud throw, and that's right here. Guys, this is luxury by the max. This feels so good. Okay, think about your winter decor like you think about your wardrobe and add in cozy layers. The color of fabric of this throw makes it perfect to toss over a chair, an ottoman, but it's also incredibly practical and great for travel. And this is beautiful, guys. Oh my goodness, this is just beautiful. Look at this. And the value on that again was $128. I mean, you could put this on for your own throw. Oh my goodness. This would definitely keep the chill off. What a wonderful soft blanket. And it's so stretchy too. And see how it has like the sweater bottom on it, the detail all along the bottom. Can you tell that there? You can see that. It's all along the bottom on both ends, I'm sure. Yes. So it's very, very dressy, very, very nice. This is beautiful, and it's extremely soft. And like she said, it would go over a chair. It could go with you traveling. I might put this in the truck for keeping me warm when I go to restaurants. This is excellent. What a wonderful, wonderful box. Oh my goodness. See why it's hard for me to give this up? It's pure luxury. And I don't even know how much all this is, but we're talking about 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we're talking about a $700 box here, guys, in luxury. Wow. She didn't skimp on this one bit. The last choice item is Show Me Your Moo Moo. And this is the brand Moo Moo. This is a luxury Harlow robe. This is $128 value. We could have got it in the leopard cream color there or the pink stripe. And because pink is my favorite color, I got the pink stripe, and it is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. It's got the name brand on there, Moo Moo. It's got the tag on there, Moo Moo. And it says, life is fun, your clothes should be too. And y'all know I'm like that. I love to be a little fashionista. I just can't afford these luxury clothes. Look at this. Oh yeah, this is just pure luxury. And it's long. You're not going to be able to see how long, but it's long and roomy. It's got a tie belt for you. You can just wrap it around. This, guys, is pure luxury. It feels like satin or silk. I don't know what it's made out of. But this says, even when I'm hanging out at home over the holidays, I like to feel a little fashionable. This patterned robe is equally stylish and comfortable, and I'll be wearing it all season. Well, in this pink color, I think I can wear it all season. I can wear it all year, actually. Wow, this is just really nice. I love that. What do you think? These are the prices. I'm going to show you what they show on there for retail. And I added that up a little bit in my head. I'll put it across there. But we had several items that were over $100. One of them almost $200. So let me know what's your favorite. Was your favorite this extraordinary $180 skincare set? This beautiful Moo Moo robe? Was it this beautiful necklace that I have on? That is just gorgeous too. Was it this beautiful shawl? What does she call this? A cloud throw. Well, I think this is going to be a throw for me. This is so soft. This is just too soft just to be having it thrown over a chair. It needs to be over me. This is gorgeous. I love this. This is so soft. I just can't tell you how soft it is. But that is wonderful. I love that. And then this little clutch purse. And that can double as a bag for traveling. So this is very nice, and it's that pebble look of leather. I don't know if this is real leather. It's probably vegan leather. A lot of things that she has and the designers that she uses use vegan leather. But again, it's lined on the inside, so you could even use it for a pool bag, you know, where if you toss your swimsuit or something wet in there. I'm not saying it's the thing you want to do with such a nice bag that's over $100 value. Do you think it's over $100 value? Or to go to these stores, that's how much this would cost. So luxury is luxury, and there's no doubt about it. This was $85 value. Very, very pretty. I love it. Love my robe. Oh my goodness, my favorite thing is going to have to be this pink robe and this blanket. I can't tell y'all how soft this is. And I know I'm going to enjoy the skincare. It's just I don't know the brand. So I don't want to say it's my favorite if I've never used it before and not sure that it'll work with me. but I think it will. So I'm looking forward to trying it out. So you let me know what's your favorite. And as for today, be sure and check my descriptions for the giveaway series that's going on, the Christmas Cheer giveaway, and or any other giveaways that may be in my description. Be sure and check those out. Let me know again your favorite. And as for today and Curateur, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.